What's good, y'all? James Hicks here. Hicks New Media and Infotainment News. Got some product in. Going to do an unboxing, share with you. Shouts out to the team from Running Bull Media in Round Rock, Texas. Thank you card from the team. Start with start with this one here. Got here. I try not to cut myself with a knife. We've got what is this here? Food? Cocktail cotton. Fill a rocks glass with your cocktail cotton. Slowly pour 2 ounces of bourbon over the cocktail cotton until it dissolves. Add one large ice cube and stir for 30 to 45 seconds or until chilled. It's, cola flavor. Okay. Here. Barrel char steak rub. Okay. Shouts out to the Garrison Brothers Distillery. All right. Very interesting stuff. Whole goodie bag here. Breath mints. Oh, these are breath mints. Breath allow 2 cubes. Shallow separate. Oh, sugar cubes. All right. This is an interesting box for sure. Here. Coasters. Okay. Shouts out to the AMD Epic coaster. Put that right there for my coffee. Right. This here. I don't know what that is. Something fancy. I'll have to check that out. I got ticket. Wait a minute. I got 2 tickets. 3 VIP tickets to a sit and sip tour of the Garrison Brothers Distillery. Oh, right on. In Texas, in High Texas. Time to jump on a plane, folks. Oh, look at this. What? Dude, what is going on here? Little shot glass action. Nice. Okay. Put that in the collection. Any more? That was just the first box. That's a pretty good box. Yeah, there are 2 other items in here. What? What? You kidding me? Garrison Brothers Texas Straight Bourbon Whiskey. This is a 47% alcohol by volume, 94 proof. What? Homegrown handmade small batch straight bourbon whiskey made with the finest Texas corn and hill country rainwater. Aged in slow growth North American oak, harvested from sustainable forests. Man, what are you talking? I need to hide this from. Make sure this doesn't get lost. Love it. What is this here? Package. This one right here is the one. I think I know what this is. Your immersive experience, brought to you by AMD Epic. Yeah, that's what this is. Shouts out Running Bull Media. Okay, let's gentle with this. had a phone conversation with this team about services that they provide, and them maybe working a little more closely with me and my organization to provide immersive engagement activities focused on the use of, yep, there we go, Oculus VR headsets. Essentially, Oculus VR headsets, and full deal with the paddles. Love it. I got the paddles and everything. They'll load on their content and their environment. I'll provide all of the training material, and instead of it being just bland PowerPoint presentations, it'll actually be focused on virtual reality. It'll actually be an immersive experience for the attendees. So now that the world has, we've gotten so accustomed to remote learning functions, we've gotten so accustomed to doing things from a virtual perspective. Bringing something like these Oculus VR headsets with the paddles will allow attendees to actually become and feel involved with the curriculum. Uh, the fact that Running Bull Media can actually load new content, new materials on these devices remotely is incredibly intriguing to something that I'm looking at doing within my organization. So that's definitely the cake right there. All this other stuff was the icing on the cake. I can't jump into this bourbon whiskey just yet, right? It's only 9:30 a.m. my time, but it will definitely be part of this week's shows. That cocktail cotton, sugar cubes, bourbon whiskey. I still don't know what this is. Still don't know what that is. Maybe someone can help me out with a clip of some sorts. I'll figure it out. Appreciate your team for sending me this. I will definitely put it to good use, do a review on the site, and let others within the organization know how we can further leverage the team. Check them out at runningbullmedia.com. Quality organization, quality team, and I look forward to working with them more in the future. You guys be good. We out.